Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we are going to demonstrate the Measurement Book Management module developed by Probuse Consulting Service Pvt Limited for Odoo 19 Enterprise. This application is designed for construction companies, EPC contractors, infrastructure projects, civil engineering firms, real estate developers, oil and gas companies, power projects, and other industries where completed work must be measured, certified, and billed accurately. The measurement book, commonly known as the MB, is one of the most important operational documents on any construction project. It records the actual quantities executed on site, validates them against the approved bill of quantities, manages the approval process, generates certified quantities, and seamlessly integrates with interim payment certificates, customer invoices, vendor bills, purchase orders, sales orders, job orders, and project progress. Let us begin by opening the measurement book menu. Here we can see all measurement books created across different projects. Users can monitor them using Kanban, list, calendar, pivot, and graph views. Each measurement book represents a specific measurement period for a construction project and contains complete information such as the project, construction contract, customer, BOQ, BOQ revision, measurement dates, construction site, zone, floor, location reference, engineer, quantity surveyor, and the current approval stage. Now let's create a new measurement book. First, we select the project. Based on the selected project, we choose the construction contract and customer. Next, we select the approved project BOQ. If there is a revised BOQ available, it can also be selected so that all measurements are validated against the latest approved revision. We then enter the measurement period by specifying the start date, end date, and measurement date. After that, we fill in the construction site information including the site name, zone, floor, and chainage or location reference. Finally, we assign the responsible users such as the site engineer, prepared by user, and quantity surveyor. Once the header information is completed, we start adding measurement lines. Each measurement line is directly linked with the BOQ item. As soon as a BOQ item is selected, the system automatically retrieves the item description, unit of measure, contract rate, BOQ quantity, and other related information. This eliminates duplicate data entry and ensures that every measurement is linked with an approved BOQ item. Instead of manually calculating quantities using a calculator or spreadsheet, users simply choose the appropriate calculation type. For manual quantity, the entered quantity itself becomes the measured quantity. For length calculations, the measured quantity is equal to the entered length. Running meter follows the same logic and is commonly used for pipelines, road markings, cable laying, fencing, drainage lines, and similar linear work. For area calculations, the user enters the length and width, and the system automatically calculates the quantity using the formula. Length multiplied by width. For example, if the length is 20 meters and the width is 5 meters, the calculated quantity becomes 100 square meters. For volume calculations, users enter length, width, and height. The system automatically applies the formula. Length multiplied by width multiplied by height. For example, 10 meters multiplied by 5 meters multiplied by 2 meters produces a calculated quantity of 100 cubic meters. Weight calculations simply use the entered weight value, making them suitable for reinforcement steel, structural steel, and similar materials. Count calculations use the number of units entered by the user and are ideal for doors, windows, electrical fixtures, poles, equipment, and other countable items. One of the biggest advantages of this module is that users never have to calculate these quantities manually. Behind the scenes, the module uses Odoo's computed field functionality. Whenever the calculation type or any measurement value such as length, width, height, weight, count, or manual quantity changes, the system immediately recalculates the measured quantity automatically. This calculated quantity is then used to compute the certified quantity, line amount, and project progress without requiring any manual calculations. In addition to automatic calculations, the system also performs several validations. It verifies that all mandatory measurement fields have been entered, prevents negative values, validates that required dimensions are available for the selected calculation type, ensures measured quantities do not exceed the approved BOQ quantities, and prevents invalid data from being approved. The module also keeps track of historical measurements automatically. Whenever a new measurement book is created, it checks all previously approved measurement books for the same BOQ item and calculates the previous certified quantity. It then determines the current measured quantity, current certified quantity, total certified quantity, remaining quantity, and progress percentage automatically. This eliminates manual tracking and prevents duplicate certification. Next, we can review the quantity abstract. The quantity abstract is automatically generated from all measurement lines. For every BOQ item, it displays the original BOQ quantity, previous certified quantity, current certified quantity, total certified quantity, remaining quantity, and overall progress percentage. Since this information is generated directly from the approved measurements, there is no need to prepare separate quantity summary sheets in Excel. Once all measurements have been verified, the measurement book moves through the configurable approval workflow. The standard workflow begins in draft and then proceeds through site engineer verification, quantity surveyor review, resident engineer approval, consultant approval, client certification, and finally approved. At every approval stage, the responsible user reviews the measurements, records comments if necessary, and the system automatically stores the approval user, approval date, approval time, and digital signature. After the final approval, the measurement book becomes read-only, preserving a complete audit trail. As soon as the measurement book reaches the approved stage, the module automatically updates several related construction modules. The approved certified quantities update the project BOQ progress, job order executed quantities, physical project progress, purchase order quantities, sales order quantities, subcontractor progress, and other connected project information. This keeps every department synchronized without duplicate data entry. The next step is generating the interim payment certificate. Using the Generate IPC action, the system creates an interim payment certificate directly from the approved measurement book. The IPC automatically receives the project, construction contract, billing period, certified quantities, and quantity abstract. The finance department can then continue with retention calculations, advance recovery, taxes, withholding, and net payable calculations directly inside the IPC module. Once the IPC is approved, it integrates seamlessly with accounting. The certified quantities flow automatically into customer invoices and vendor bills, ensuring that billing always matches the approved site measurements. The complete workflow therefore becomes project BOQ, measurement book, approval workflow, quantity certification, quantity abstract, interim payment certificate, customer invoice or vendor bill, and finally accounting. Construction projects frequently undergo scope changes and quantity revisions. For this reason, the module fully supports BOQ revisions. Whenever a revised BOQ is approved, future measurement books validate against the latest revision while preserving the complete history of previous measurements and certifications. This provides full traceability throughout the contract lifecycle. The measurement book also includes several smart buttons that provide quick navigation to related records, such as project BOQs, job orders, purchase orders, BOQ revisions, interim payment certificates, and attachments. Users can also upload site photographs, drawings, inspection reports, test reports, PDF documents, and other supporting files directly on the measurement book, creating a complete digital record of every measurement. Finally, the module provides comprehensive reporting capabilities. Users can analyze measurement books using list, Kanban, calendar, pivot, bar chart, line chart, and pie chart views. Reports can be grouped by project, customer, engineer, contract, BOQ, stage, or date, giving management complete visibility into project progress, certified quantities, and construction performance. This completes the functional demonstration of the Measurement Book Management module developed by Probuse Consulting Service PVT Limited. The application digitizes the complete construction measurement process, from recording site measurements and automatic quantity calculations to certification, approvals, project progress updates, interim, payment certificate generation, and accounting integration, all within Odoo 19 Enterprise. By replacing manual spreadsheets with an integrated digital workflow, organizations achieve greater accuracy, complete traceability, faster approvals, improved project control, and a seamless connection between site execution and